Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix crackling audio in OBS. This is a common issue that can really affect your stream or recording quality, but fortunately it's pretty easy to resolve with the right settings. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once OBS launches, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu bar there. Click on File, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This is where you'll access all the configuration options needed to fix your audio issues. When the settings window opens, look at the left panel where you'll see various categories. Click on Output to access the output settings. This section controls how OBS processes and exports your audio and video, so adjusting these settings will directly impact your audio quality. Now navigate to the option labeled Output Mode at the top of the panel. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and select Advanced. Switching to Advanced mode gives you more control over individual settings and allows you to fine-tune your audio bitrate, which is crucial for eliminating that crackling sound. Next, click on the Audio tab at the top of the Settings panel. This will display all the audio-specific output settings. Here's where you'll make the most important adjustment. You'll see several drop-down menus labeled Audio Bitrate, one for each track from track 1 through track 6. Go ahead and click each drop-down menu beside these tracks and select 320. Increasing the bitrate to 320 ensures your audio has enough data to reproduce sound clearly without compression artifacts that cause crackling. Once you've adjusted all the audio bitrates, return to the left sidebar and click on Audio. This section controls your global audio settings. At the top of this panel, navigate to Sample Rate, click the drop-down menu right beside it and select 48K as. This sample rate is the standard for most streaming and recording platforms and provides excellent audio quality while maintaining compatibility. Now that you've configured all your audio settings, it's time to save these changes. In the bottom right corner of the settings window, click Apply to save your new configuration. Then click OK to close the settings window. These adjustments will significantly improve your audio quality and eliminate the crackling you've been experiencing. After clicking OK, OBS will need to restart for these changes to take full effect. You'll see a confirmation message pop up asking if you want to restart the application. Click Yes to proceed with the restart. This ensures all your new settings are properly loaded and active. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the crackling audio issue in OBS by optimizing your bitrate and sample rate settings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.